Massachusetts.
Oh.
Not so sure about the other one. That's why I didn't bring it.
1, 2, 3.
This is the first time he's done it.
Really?
Oh, over there on right on that this side of the refrigerator.
Now we've got the race on.
Trying to get the gate closed.
That gate, the problem.
Well, last week it was a problem. They couldn't keep it shut.
There, now he's got it done.
They've had good times so far.
No, that's good. Sorry. Oh, one went out and they chased it back in.
2 down to 3 and 9 out. They're getting good time. Very good time for somebody that hasn't done it. Oh. They're bound determined to. Drive them in, drive them in. Good,
Okay,
girl.
Hannah got the gate, Hannah. I got the gate. Good.
Good time for somebody that hasn't done it.
Well, the two girls did, remember, they were
Well,
left, but
yeah, that's
their
right.
brother had
Yeah.
never done it before.
And if their horses haven't done this specifically before, I think that's wonderful.
Yes.
Good job.
The girl in the purple there
Yeah.
trained her own horse, and she trained this one that he's on.
Oh, I saw her out there one day.